what task have I been treating as urgent, even though it's the very thing keeping me stuck at the same level?
Okay, so if I get you right, marami kang tasks na tinitreat mo lahat, halos lahat ng
Same
task, same level ng urgency.
There's no priorities.
I think for me, that's the small repetitive tasks that you refuse to delegate. So, minsan may tendency tayo na we don't take inventory of the tasks that we do, especially the repetitive task. Pero kung titingnan mo, ini-analyze mo ng isang half day, kumakain niya ng oras mo, pero pwede mo pala siyang i-delegate. Meron akong EA, pangalan si Aldrin. You know, I have been, on a daily basis, I've been reconciling results of my advertisements, my sales, on a daily basis. Tapos minamatch ko against the bank. Now, it's a repetitive task, no? Na kumakain ng oras ko 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Not mentioning yung stress after that. Lalo na kung medyo mababa yung sales, di ba? Recently, dinelegate ko siya. Yeah, sa EA ko. Oh, so ngayon, medyo na ako. At least maluwag na ako. Hindi na ako nai-stress kung maganda ba yung result ng sales ko or hindi.